Hey guys, this is Pyro from the cell phone forums. I'm finally making this video because people seem to still be having problems and they've been requesting me to do it. So I'm going to walk you through on how to get custom ringtones on your Samsung Highnote and Rant without paying Sprint the $250 that they want. I initially did this on the Highnote, but it works exactly the same on the Samsung Rant, which I recently got. They're both Sprint one-click phones, and you'll just follow the same directions, whichever phone you have, and it'll be fine. I'll also be doing this on a Mac. I know a lot of people have Windows, and so I don't know how that's going to affect you, but I'll at least get you the basics down, and you guys can get whatever programs you need to convert or whatever. So I've already gone to Ventones. I've logged into my account. You need to create a free account with them, but I've never gotten any spam or anything from them, so they're pretty easy to deal with. Anyways, I'm just going to choose my file that I want made into a ringtone. I'm on a skin dread binge right now, so I'll just go ahead and choose them and click upload song. It'll take a little while depending on your internet speed, but overall shouldn't take too long. And if it gets stuck at the end, just reload the page and try it again, because that'll happen from time to time. And so now we've gotten to the information part, and this is Trouble and by Skin Dread. So you've got that. You can add a fade or add treble or whatever to it. I'm going to leave it for the sake of time here and play the song to make sure it's working. It's definitely working for me, so I'm going to stop it and create the tone. And it'll take a little while to load again, but then you'll come up to the next page. And I might edit this out depending on how long it takes. Okay, so after a bit of time, it took about 30 seconds here, we're finally to this page here, and you go to save free ringtone, and I've noticed with Mac that if you just click it, it'll open it in Safari, and you won't be able to download it, but just right click on it or two-finger tap, whatever you have it set as, download the linked file, and that'll come up on your downloads. And what we're going to do is we're going to show this in Finder. You're going to have to find it on Windows. And all I do is take the MP3 at the end and make it into a 3G2 file. And it asks if you want to keep MP3, go ahead and use 3G2. And that's that for this step. Alright, so now that we've got the ringtone all squared away, we're actually going to hook up the phone to our computer. So I'm going to plug in my USB cables here. And as far as I know, you do need a micro SD card for this step. I'm not sure if it'll work without it. I haven't tried it, but I just leave mine in all the time. I don't want to take it out and try it, so you can try that for yourself. Once we get the phone all plugged in, mine is all plugged in here, and go to the main menu, go to Tools. So we're in the Tools section right now, and then you're going to go down to Mass Storage, and that's number 6 if you just want to hit that. And then you're going to see 4 options. You're going to want to connect to PC, which is the very first option. After a while, it'll say connected to PC and you have calls disabled. And so that's it for this step. That's pretty self-explanatory and easy. Okay, so we've finally gotten the ringtone done. We've gotten the phone hooked up to your computer. And now, if you're a Mac user, you should be seeing the disk image of Rant. Once again, I don't know if you're going to need to do anything extra on a PC for this. And so I'm going to go open the Rant disk image, go to the DCIM file, and then the 100 SSMED file. And there is where we want to drop our file. And I've already dropped this in. I've been having some trouble with my capture software, but there it is. just drag and drop it in, and then eject your disk image and disconnect the phone from the computer. Okay, so now we finally have the ringtone on your phone, and you're going to want to set it up, of course, as a ringtone. So you're going to go into the settings area of your phone and go down to sounds and select ringer type. You can do this for incoming calls and schedule alerts and whatnot, but this does not work for messages. I have another way of doing that I can show you if you guys would like. So I'm just going to choose with caller ID. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm also going to choose my videos at the very bottom. And then you're going to select in-memory card, and that's the second option. I found an interesting thing with these red X boxes. For whatever reason, they sometimes won't play the music file, but then I tried playing another file that I actually took on my phone, and I went ahead and played that, My New Puppy. And after playing that, the audio on the other files started working. And so I want to set Trouble, which is the new ringtone I made, and you hit play, options and play, and it starts playing for you. So you go ahead and set that as your ringtone, and you should be good to go. And if you have any other problems, feel free to ask me, but I'm hoping this clears everything up for everybody.